Hey everyone, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W37A for Minecraft. This snapshot is the first of many for the Caves and Cliffs Part 2 update, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the changes. In this snapshot, 8 new biomes have been added. The Dripstone Caves are an underground biome containing pointed dripstone and dripstone blocks. Additionally, lots of stalagmites and stalactites generate here. Plus, with increased copper spawning rates, this is definitely the place to go to get your copper. The new Grove biome generates on high altitude terrain beneath mountain peaks or on hilltops. The Lush Caves biome generates lots of moss, spore blossoms, dripleaf plants, azalea bushes, flowering azalea bushes, and glowberries underground. The Meadow biome, which contains grass and flowers, tends to generate next to large mountain ranges, and is similar to the pre-existing plains biomes. Snow-capped peaks biomes now also generate, and they are smooth mountain peaks with ice and snow within them. And on the topic of snow, the Snowy Slopes biome generate in this snapshot as well. This biome has lots of powder snow traps, so be careful when visiting. The Stony Peaks biome are stone areas with occasional strips of calcite that can be either jagged or smooth. Enchanting tables now emit a small amount of light when placed, and by using shears on the tip of cave vines, twisting vines, weeping vines, and kelp, you can now stop their growth process. Additionally, the cloud level has been raised from 128 to 192 on the Y value. Generation range and build limits have been expanded by 64 blocks in each direction in this snapshot, making the world coordinates range from -64 to Y320. Additionally, as you can see just from this picture of the overworld, mountains and other biomes generate a lot higher in altitude and a lot differently, with much smoother transitions between the biomes. Due to the new range in Y levels, ore generation has been changed to match the new maximum heights. Iron now generates below Y72 and is found most commonly near Y16. Copper now generates in large amounts in the Dripstone Caves biome, but can also be found between Y0 and Y96. Lapis lazuli now generates below Y64. Coal generates only above Y0. Gold generates only below Y32, except for the Badlands biome, where it still spawns much more frequently than usual. Redstone now generates below Y16, and diamonds can now be found in larger quantities below Y16. Many of the previous bug fixes from prior versions dealt with incorrect generation of ores. However, this snapshot has fixed all of those minor glitches. New cave generation has also been added in this version. Cheese caves generate with holes and often form large caverns. Spaghetti caves form long, squiggly tunnels, and noodle caves generate thinner, squigglier, and tighter tunnels. The old cave generation does still generate in new worlds, and can combine with this new cave generation to form interesting caverns and cave systems. Aquifers can also generate in this version, and can create underground bodies of water, sometimes resulting in underground lakes. Additionally, from level 0 down to -64, stone will gradually be replaced by deep slate, and under Y level 0, no diorite, granite, or andesite, or dirt will generate. Datapack format numbers have been increased to 8 in this version, and length limits for scoreboards and team names have been removed in this snapshot. Additionally, the debug screen now displays information about the world generation noise, so if you're ever curious on how the world is generated, you can look in there and see all of the details. Axolotls now only spawn in lush caves and have their own separate mob cap, meaning axolotls can spawn even if the mob cap for other entities in a chunk has been reached. Additionally, illagers no longer attack baby villagers in this snapshot, and monsters can now only spawn in places where the light from blocks is 0, as opposed to other versions where mobs could spawn in light level 8 or below. In previous snapshots, withers would not pursue players in survival mode unless attacked. However, This bug was fixed in this snapshot. A new accessibility option called Hide Lightning Flashes has been added in this version, and by turning this option on, you can hide sky flashing during thunderstorms. There is also a new option to specify the audio device used by the game under the music and sound options. Toggle Sprint and Toggle Sneak are now part of the control settings screen, and keybinds that were previously on the screen now have their own screen, which is accessible from the controls button. And that is all for this snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. If you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to explore the new biomes with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.